Hi, how may I help you? I heard about the cut recently and I wanted to help. I was wondering if I could go through meiosis to help. Oh, sure! What's your cell type and body sector? Skin cell 9466YG, sector 5K1569. Okay, is this your first time going through mitosis? Yes. Okay, let me give you a general tour of what you're going to go through. Before we start, have you completed your interphase paperwork? Oh, yes, but it took me a while. Okay, well that's fine. Most cells take a while to go through interphase, but it's not really a part of mitosis, though it is important for mitosis to happen, and that's why we have you do it. Anyways, are you ready for the tour? Yes. Now, mitosis is the process of cells dividing to make more cells. There are 4 stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, also known as PMAT. Prophase comes first, so let's start there. During prophase, chromosomes in the cell condense and spindle fibers begin to form. Then, during metaphase, the chromosomes line up in the middle in a single file line and they attach to the spindle fibers. Then, in anaphase, the chromatids start to move away as the spindle fibers pull them apart and cause the centromeres to split. Excuse me, where's the meiosis wing? Thanks. Anyways, during anaphase, the chromosomes end up on separate ends of the cell. Then, during telophase, the spindle fibers break apart and nuclei form around the chromosomes on both sides. The final step, which isn't part of the 4 stages of mitosis, is cytokinesis. In cytokinesis, the 2 cells split, resulting in 2 of you. And that's that. Wow, I just feel so educated now. I can't wait to help heal that cut with mitosis. Excuse me, is this the meiosis wing? Yes. Oh, okay. I was summoned to come do meiosis. Oh, okay. Have you done your interphase paperwork? Yes, I have duplicated my chromosomes, completed my functions, and I've grown. Okay, well, I'll walk you through the process. In meiosis, you will go through PMAT. You will go through PMAT twice. Do you know what PMAT stands for? Yes, I caught it from another presentation. Oh, goody. Well, meiosis also starts with prophase, but since you go through it twice, the first prophase is labeled Prophase I. Oh, wow. Anyways, during Prophase I, chromosomes condense, homologous chromosomes pair up to form tetrads, and crossing over takes place. Crossing over is when 2 homologous chromosomes transfer genetic information and exchange genetic information. Crossing over results in genetic variation. Then comes metaphase I. The tetrads line up in pairs and spindle fibers attach. Then in anaphase I, the tetrads separate and move away from each other. In telophase I, the cells divide. Now on to the second PMAT. Before the second stage of meiosis, no interphase is needed. So that means less paperwork for you. Then, during prophase II, chromosomes condense again and the spindle fibers begin to reform. The chromosomes meet up in the middle in a single file line and attach to the spindle fibers. In anaphase II, the chromosomes split and the chromatids separate. In telophase II, nuclear membranes form around the chromosomes and 4 haploid cells form. These are known as gametes, otherwise known as reproductive cells. Have you both completed your cell division processes? Yeah, I just completed meiosis and I just completed mitosis. They're very similar, but at the same time, they're different. For example, they're the same because they both need us to do interphase paperwork. And they're different because in mitosis, you only go through PMAT once, and in meiosis, you go through it twice. Also, they're the same because in both processes, the spindle fibers separate the chromosomes. They're different because of what kind of cells they form. For example, in mitosis, body cells are formed, but in meiosis, reproductive cells are formed. And they're also similar because in both processes, you go through prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And they're different because in meiosis, your chromosomes line up in pairs, and then they line up in a single file line. But in mitosis, they just line up in a single file line. I'm so glad we got educated on meiosis and mitosis. I just feel so enlightened now.